Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen a seed break through the soil? It does not shout. It does not complain. It simply struggles, silently, patiently, until one day it stands tall as a tree. Such is the journey of those who strive for excellence. Excellence is not an accident, nor is it a gift handed to the lucky. It is a silent battle, fought in the depths of our souls, a battle against self-doubt, against the weight of failures, against the voices that whisper, "You cannot do it." But the truth is, silence is powerful. It is in the moments when no one is watching that we build the courage to rise. It is in the unseen hours of effort, in the quiet sacrifices, in the tears wiped away behind closed doors. This is where true excellence is born. Many believe that success is loud, that it comes with applause and recognition. But I ask you today, what about the moments before the world sees you? What about the nights when dreams seem distant? What about the pain that no one else understands? The greatest achievements are crafted in the silence of perseverance. The artist who paints in solitude, the writer who erases 100 pages before one masterpiece is born, the athlete who trains before the sun rises. Each one is proof that the journey to excellence is not about being seen, it is about becoming. So today, if you are struggling, if you feel unheard, if your efforts go unnoticed, remember, the seed does not need applause to grow into a tree. You do not need validation to become extraordinary. Embrace the silent struggle, for it is in this journey that you will find not just excellence, but yourself. Thank you. Excellence is not something that happens by chance, nor is it an inborn talent reserved for a select few. It is a battle, a silent one, fought within the depths of our souls. This battle is not against others, but against ourselves, our doubts, fears, and insecurities. It is a journey filled with obstacles that test our resilience, discipline, and patience. And the most remarkable thing about this journey is that it unfolds in silence, away from the spotlight, long before success is ever seen. When we look at those who have achieved greatness, we often focus on the moments of recognition, the trophies, the applause, the standing ovations. But what we do not see are the countless hours of unseen effort, the sleepless nights, and the sacrifices they made when no one was watching. Excellence is not built in the moments of celebration. It is forged in solitude, in the quiet moments of struggle, where perseverance matters more than praise. The silent battle for excellence begins with a choice: to rise above mediocrity, to push past limitations, and to commit to growth despite the absence of immediate rewards. It is in these moments that a person learns the true meaning of dedication. There will be days when motivation fades, when results seem distant, and when giving up feels like the easier option. But those who truly strive for excellence understand that persistence, even in the face of discouragement, is what sets them apart. Doubt is one of the biggest challenges in this silent battle. The mind will often whisper, "What if I fail? What if I am not good enough?" These thoughts create barriers that can seem impossible to break. But those who achieve excellence do not allow self-doubt to dictate their actions. Instead, they move forward despite fear, embracing failures as stepping stones rather than setbacks. Every challenge becomes a lesson, and every failure becomes a foundation for future success. Another key aspect of this battle is discipline. Many people are inspired to start a journey toward excellence, but very few sustain the effort required to achieve it. The difference lies in consistency. Discipline is what keeps a person going when the excitement wears off. It is waking up early to train when no one is watching. It is practicing a skill repeatedly, refining every detail, even when progress feels slow. The ones who truly excel understand that excellence is not a one-time achievement, but a continuous process of learning and improving. Perhaps the most difficult part of this journey is that it often goes unnoticed. The world celebrates results, but it rarely acknowledges the effort behind them. The artist who spends years perfecting a craft, the writer who rewrites a manuscript 100 times, the athlete who trains in solitude, all of them fight a silent battle long before the world sees their success. But the true reward is not in recognition. It is in the transformation that takes place along the way. Excellence is a silent battle, but those who endure it emerge not only successful, but stronger, wiser, and truly extraordinary. Growth, much like nature, happens in silence. A seed does not announce its struggle as it pushes through the soil. It does not seek validation as it reaches for the sun. And yet, it grows, slowly but surely, until one day it stands tall as a tree. In the same way, the journey toward excellence is one that takes place in quiet moments. Moments of effort, discipline, and perseverance that the world often does not see. In today's world, where recognition and validation seem to define success, it is easy to believe that if our progress is not noticed, it does not matter. But the truth is, real growth happens long before it is acknowledged. A writer spends hours alone, crafting stories that may never be read. A musician plays the same notes repeatedly, refining a melody that only they can hear. An athlete trains in the early hours of the morning, pushing their limits when there is no audience to cheer them on. These silent moments of effort are the building blocks of excellence. It is in the unseen hours of dedication that true transformation occurs. When no one is watching, there is no pressure to perform, only an opportunity to improve. The absence of an audience allows us to make mistakes, to learn, and to grow without fear of judgment. It is in this solitude that we develop the resilience and strength required to succeed. Those who truly strive for excellence understand that progress is often slow, sometimes invisible, but always meaningful. The challenge, however, is to trust the process. Many people give up on their dreams because they do not see immediate results. They assume that if their hard work is not producing visible success, it must be worthless. But growth is not always obvious. A tree does not grow overnight, nor does it bear fruit immediately. It takes years of silent struggle beneath the surface before it flourishes. Likewise, the journey to excellence requires patience. Small, consistent efforts, even when they seem insignificant, lead to greatness over time. Another aspect of silent growth is self-discipline. When the world is not watching, there is no external pressure to keep going. It is easy to relax, to make excuses, to delay progress, but those who are truly committed to excellence hold themselves accountable, even when no one else does. They wake up early to practice, they stay late to refine their skills, and they push forward even when motivation fades. Discipline is the silent force that turns effort into success. Most importantly, silent growth teaches us self-belief. When we stop relying on external validation and start focusing on personal progress, we realize that our worth is not defined by recognition. Excellence is not about being seen, it is about becoming the best version of ourselves. And when we embrace the quiet struggle of growth, we discover that success is not about the applause at the end of the journey, but about the person we become along the way. The path to excellence is often filled with challenges, many of which are internal rather than external. The greatest obstacles we face are not necessarily the failures we encounter in the world, but the struggles we endure within ourselves. It is easy to be discouraged when things do not go as planned, when our best efforts seem to lead to nothing, or when the weight of our own doubts becomes overwhelming. However, it is through these struggles that the foundation for excellence is built. The battle against self-doubt is one of the most difficult, yet essential parts of the journey. At some point, every individual striving for greatness will question their worth, their abilities, and their potential. Am I good enough? What if I fail? What if I'm not meant for this? These questions can be paralyzing, and they can easily derail our efforts if we let them. But self-doubt, as painful as it may feel, is not a sign that we are pushing ourselves beyond our comfort zones. The most successful people are not those who never doubted themselves. They are the ones who chose to move forward in spite of it. They learned to recognize that self-doubt is not an enemy to be defeated, but a companion to be understood. It is the voice that emerges when we push past our limits, when we strive for something greater than we've known before. In these moments of uncertainty, the key is not to run from doubt, but to use it as a source of motivation. Every time you doubt yourself, you are being called to grow. And every time you choose to move forward despite that doubt, you are strengthening your resolve to succeed. Self-doubt often manifests in moments when we encounter failure. Failure, in many ways, is the most terrifying aspect of pursuing excellence. The fear of failure holds many people back, preventing them from taking risks or trying something new. However, the reality is that failure is not the end. It is simply part of the process. It is through failure that we learn what does not work, what we need to improve, and where our true potential lies. Without failure, there is no growth. Without mistakes, there are no lessons. Failure is not something to avoid, but something to embrace. Excellence is built on the foundation of overcoming failure. Every time we fall and rise again, we become stronger, more resilient, and more capable. It is the ability to get back up, to keep going, that differentiates those who achieve greatness from those who give up. The struggle with failure is not a sign of weakness. It is evidence of a person's commitment to the process, their willingness to continue despite setbacks. The internal struggle for excellence is also a fight against complacency. It is easy to stay in a place of comfort, to settle for what is familiar, for what is easy. But true excellence requires us to push beyond comfort, to challenge ourselves, and to confront the limitations we have placed on our own potential. The greatest breakthroughs come not from maintaining the status quo, but from stepping into the unknown and taking risks. It is in the discomfort of growth that we discover what we are truly capable of. Ultimately, the silent struggle for excellence is not about being perfect or flawless. It is about the courage to keep moving forward, even when the road is tough and the path is unclear. It is about understanding that struggle, failure, and self-doubt are not obstacles, but integral parts of the journey. Through these struggles, we develop the strength, resilience, and perseverance needed to become the best versions of ourselves. Discipline is the unsung hero of the journey toward excellence. It is a steady, unglamorous force that keeps us moving forward when motivation wanes and when the excitement of the beginning fades into the monotonous routine of hard work. While talent and inspiration may spark the desire to achieve, it is discipline that ensures those dreams are realized. It is a force that compels us to push through the most difficult times, to stick to our commitments, and to continue improving even when the results are not immediately visible. The process of developing discipline begins with consistency. Excellence is not achieved through occasional bursts of effort, but through regular, intentional action. It is about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it, and doing the work that is required, whether it's practicing a skill, working toward a goal, or pushing through the obstacles that arise along the way. Discipline is what keeps us on track. Without it, even the greatest ideas or ambitions can fall by the wayside, forgotten or abandoned. Discipline means doing the hard things, the things that require effort and persistence. It's not about seeking shortcuts or immediate gratification, but about embracing the process, step by step, and finding satisfaction in the small victories along the way. It requires us to focus on long-term goals rather than short-term pleasures, to make sacrifices when necessary, and to endure discomfort for the sake of growth. Those who achieve excellence are not the ones who take the easy road. They are the ones who put in the work day after day, who persist when faced with challenges, and who remain committed even when the path is unclear. One of the greatest challenges of discipline is the ability to keep going when progress seems slow or invisible. In the early stages of any journey, results may be minimal, and this can be discouraging. But those who are truly dedicated to excellence understand that success is not always immediate. Just like a tree that grows slowly beneath the soil before breaking through to the surface, progress may not be visible at first. The hard work you put in today may not show up tomorrow, but if you remain disciplined, it will compound over time, and eventually, the results will speak for themselves. Discipline also requires the ability to delay gratification. In a world that thrives on instant results and quick fixes, this can be especially difficult. It's easy to want immediate success, but excellence is built on the foundation of delayed gratification. It means resisting the urge to take the easy way out to indulge in distractions or to seek recognition before the work is done. Instead, discipline teaches us to remain focused, to stay the course, and to trust that the results will come when the time is right. Moreover, discipline is not just about external actions, it is also about mental strength. It involves training the mind to remain focused, to stay positive in the face of challenges, and to keep pushing forward even when doubts arise. Discipline is as much about the mindset as it is about the action itself. It is about choosing to prioritize the work over the distractions, to maintain a sense of purpose even when motivation fades, and to keep going with unwavering commitment. Ultimately, discipline is the backbone of excellence. It ensures that our dreams are not just fleeting desires but attainable goals. It turns aspirations into reality, shaping the path toward success one small, consistent action at a time. Through discipline, we turn our potential into something tangible, transforming effort into achievement and dreams into accomplishments. Without it, even the greatest ambitions remain unfulfilled. In a world that often celebrates results and visible success, it can be easy to forget that true excellence is rarely recognized in its early stages. The most powerful aspects of the journey toward greatness often go unnoticed. The moments of struggle, the hours of hard work, and the quiet persistence that leads to transformation. While the applause and accolades come later, the real reward lies not in the recognition of others, but in the personal growth that happens along the way. The silent pursuit of excellence is not about being seen. It is about becoming the best version of yourself, regardless of who is watching. At first glance, it may seem as if success is only for those who are constantly in the spotlight, those who are admired for their talent and achievements. However, this is a misconception. True excellence does not require a constant audience or external validation. In fact, the most meaningful work often happens behind the scenes, where there is no audience to applaud. A writer spends years refining their craft without a reader in sight. An artist paints countless canvases before their work is ever exhibited, and an athlete practices in solitude long before they step onto a competitive field. Their dedication is not driven by the need for recognition, but by a deep commitment to their craft, their growth, and their purpose. The absence of external validation can make the journey more difficult, but it also makes it more authentic. Without the pressure of constant approval, individuals are free to focus on their personal growth and improvement rather than on the opinions of others. They are able to push forward without being distracted by praise or criticism, remaining steadfast in their pursuit of excellence. It is in these moments of solitude that a person finds their true motivation, an internal drive to be better, not for the world, but for themselves. When we let go of the need for recognition, we realize that the journey itself is the reward. The process of learning, growing, and improving is what shapes us, not the applause we receive at the end. Success becomes less about achieving a specific goal and more about the person we become along the way. Excellence is not a destination, but a continuous journey of self-improvement, and it is in this process that we discover our true potential. The silent pursuit of excellence also teaches us resilience. When no one is watching, it is easy to feel like giving up, to wonder if all the effort is worth it. But those who persist in the face of difficulty, who continue to work even when the results are not visible, are the ones who ultimately succeed. It is in the quiet moments of struggle, when there is no immediate reward, that we learn the most about our strength and determination. Moreover, the focus on internal growth, rather than external validation, fosters a deeper sense of fulfillment. When we are not seeking approval from others, we are free to pursue our passions and goals on our own terms. We measure our success not by the recognition we receive, but by the progress we make in overcoming challenges and becoming better every day. This shift in perspective allows us to embrace the journey as its own reward, finding joy and fulfillment in the process rather than waiting for an external sign of success. In the end, the silent pursuit of excellence teaches us that recognition is fleeting, but personal growth is lasting. It is not the applause or acknowledgement that defines true success, but the quiet determination, the relentless pursuit of improvement, and a commitment to becoming the best version of ourselves. Excellence is built not on being seen, but on the strength and growth that occur in the silence of dedication. The journey toward excellence is not one of immediate gratification or overnight success. It is a process that requires patience, persistence, and most importantly, self-belief. In a world where the loudest voices often get the most attention, it is easy to overlook the quiet power of steady progress and consistent effort. Many people are quick to give up on their dreams when they don't see instant results. But the most successful individuals are those who continue to move forward despite the lack of recognition. They understand that true excellence does not require external validation. It is rooted in personal growth and a commitment to continuous improvement. One of the most profound lessons in this journey is the realization that you do not need validation from others to achieve greatness. We live in a society that often ties success to external measures, awards, accolades, and public recognition. But these external markers of success are fleeting, and they often fail to reflect the true value of what someone has achieved. Excellence is not about impressing others or seeking their approval. It is about the quiet satisfaction of knowing that you have given your best effort, that you have worked relentlessly toward your goals, and that you have improved along the way. This focus on internal validation over external recognition fosters a deep sense of self-worth. When we stop relying on the opinions of others to measure our success, we begin to trust in our own abilities. We realize that our worth is not defined by the applause we received or the accolades we collect, but by the dedication, effort, and resilience we demonstrate throughout the process. This self-belief is not about arrogance or pride, but about having confidence in our own potential and knowing that, regardless of the external circumstances, we have the power to shape our own path. The absence of external validation also allows for greater authenticity in the pursuit of excellence. Without the pressure to meet others' expectations or conform to their standards, we are free to pursue our goals in a way that is true to who we are. We can take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them, all without fearing judgment or failure. It is in this freedom that we can truly grow and evolve, as we are no longer constrained by the need for approval. We begin to recognize that the process of growth itself is the reward, and that the challenges we face along the way are what shape us into the people we are meant to become. In the quiet pursuit of excellence, we also develop resilience. The road to greatness is not a straight line. It is filled with setbacks, obstacles, and moments of doubt. When we are not focused on seeking validation, we learn to embrace these challenges as part of the process. We develop the strength to continue moving forward even when progress seems slow, and we understand that setbacks do not define us. Instead, they offer opportunities for growth, for learning, and for refining our approach. Each failure becomes a stepping stone, each mistake a lesson in perseverance. Ultimately, the journey toward excellence is about personal transformation. It is not about being seen or celebrated by others, but about becoming the best version of yourself. The true measure of success is not found in the recognition we receive, but in the growth, resilience, and strength we develop along the way. When we let go of the need for external validation, we free ourselves to fully engage in the process of becoming, to enjoy the quiet moments of effort, and to embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth. In this way, excellence becomes not just a destination but a way of life, one built on internal motivation, personal belief, and the relentless pursuit of improvement.